These are great flashlights. They're small, they're compact, and if you just hold the button down, it's got a loud siren. It's not loud, it's just, it is what it is. They got a turbo mode. But I got a light up ahead, and I was asked to do a video, and got a video coming up soon about rodents, and it goes to the car, anywhere in the house that you may want to stay tuned for. But I was asked to do a video about grounding. So if you got a jump start cable and you need to ground it rather than the battery, let me show you where we're going to hook it up to some of the areas of the car. Let me bring it down just a little closer so you can see where I'm pointing at. This is your negative. If you follow the negative, it goes to two spots. One, it goes down all the way to the frame, and the other one, it goes down this way. You just don't know where they go. Now, this is all painted, right? There's nothing over here that you could hook up to, right? I'm looking for you so you can ground your car. Right over here, there's a piece of metal top that you could ground to. It's a little hard to get to. That'd be where your ground is at, right there, like so, right here. And that's where it's going to go. Over there, all the way over here by the fuse down below, there's a screw. And if you follow along over here on the left-hand side, right here, this is a spot you can ground to, right here. The perfect spot and all. This is a jump starter booster. This is how we now jump start our cars. And to do this and this, you don't want to ground it, and you're wondering where can you put the ground, like so, right here. And that's where it's going to go. Now, you got a piece right here made of metal. It is grounded, and that's the option you may not want to do because it's so thin. But that's what I would do if I was going to ground my car for whatever it needs. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful to somebody out there trying to find the ground points of the car. There are many areas of grounding interest, as you can see. And like I said, here is one of the main areas of a ground. But that and this won't get to there. You can always ground here, even though this is painted. That is a ground spot right there. And even though there's a screw over here, that is a ground spot right there, hard to get to. And then, of course, you got the frame, which you won't reach. Enjoy the video if it really helped out in any way. Thank you for viewing. If you are interested in one of these keychain lights, the V10 by Brett, I'll find the link and post it down below so you can maybe support the channel. Up to you. I'm not asking you to buy it, but it's up to you if you need something that is nice and bright. Enjoy. Have a great day.